Young Leaper.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Forex Eagle YouTube channel. This is Jabulo here, your host, and welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. In today's video, we're going to be talking about something that is most people who are interested in trading and most people who are already in trading and they want to be progressive and all those things. Please stay tuned to this video and listen to everything that I'm going to be telling you in details and everything that you need to do as a trader so that you can be progressive in your game. It's a long time journey, but you need to have specific reasons and specific things that you do in order for you to stay long in the game. Because what is happening now, most people, they know about trading, they know about the whole thing, that everything that we do, and they see it online and all those things, but they can't seem to have progress in what they do. So they end up giving up and end up getting caught in their feelings, and they are mentally or psychologically, they lack psychological things that needs to be put in together or put into place for you to be able to be successful in trading. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about all those things. So stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, share, and like the video, and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep dropping these major hard videos every day. So today, I'm going to be talking about being specific as a trader, or being specific when you come to this industry of trading the market. So guys, quick and short, you need to be specific when it comes to this game. Why you need to be specific? Most people are not realistic and they are not specific when it comes to this thing. They want to make money, and change their lives. They want to do all these things, but they are not realistic when it comes to the whole entire journey itself. So first thing that I think you need to be realistic about, you need to be realistic about your strategy. How does your system works? The strategy that you use. You need to be realistic about those things. Put those things into play. Combine them. Make sure that thing works for you. And if it does work for you, you need to see it progressing in a long run. Maybe in 3 months time, 2 months time, you need to see it progressive. Most people, they quit after two weeks, 3 weeks of trading, or a month. You shouldn't quit on those months. It's still early. It's a long journey. It's a long process. You need to find a system that works. Prove it for like at least 6 months so that you can see that that system for you, it works. So be realistic about your strategy. Be realistic about your mentor. Who's mentoring you? Do you have a mentor? Does your mentor have a right system for you that is benefiting you as a trader or as a beginner so that you can progress and make progress in your trading? So be specific. Don't pick and choose mentors. This week you're using this mentor on YouTube. The other week you're using the other mentor on YouTube, and you're switching from mentors to mentors. That will destroy your psychology, and it will make you think it will waste your entire time of this journey. So stick to one system, stick to one mentor, stick to one person or particular community of traders that you know they provide you with the best knowledge that is out there. So what is the next thing that you need to be specific about? Number 3, this is the most important one. You need to be specific about your risk. You need to be specific about your risk when it comes to trading. Most people, they think trading needs a lot of money. I need to have 100K so that I can fund my account and start trading. If you can't handle 1,000 rand, so I'm going to be talking about in rands because I'm in South Africa. I'm going to be talking about rands. But for those who are overseas, when we talk about 1,000 rand, we're talking about maybe like $99 or $98, somewhere there. So depending on how the dollar is improving to against the rand at that particular time. So we're not there right now. So I'm talking to my fellow South Africans for now in this video. So be specific about the money that you want to handle in your account. Be specific about it. If you can't handle 1,000 rand, that means you can't handle 100,000 rand. You can't handle 1,000,000 rand. So just forget about trading. If you can't handle 1,000 rand, if you can't handle 500 rand, you don't know what you risk. What are you risking? Be specific about your risk. As you can see, be specific about your risk. That's why you need a stop loss, you need risk management, all those things. So I'm not going to be specifically talking about percentages, because most people, when they come to YouTube, they talk about percentages and all those things. You need to risk 1%, 2% of your account. I'm just going to be specific because that's what I want. I want this video for you to understand specifically. I don't want to go over the bush. I don't want to go to the bushes. I just want to be specific with you so that you understand what I'm exactly trying to refer to and trying to talk about. So what I mean about risk management, be specific about it. If you have 1,000 rand, be specific that, okay, in this 1,000 rand, I'm willing to lose 100 rands. That is what I'm willing to lose. In this setup that I got, maybe you are under a mentorship, maybe you are under our mentorship, we are releasing a setup, maybe it's about US30 or NAS 100 or whatever, or GBP, JPY or whatever the setup may be. It doesn't matter. But on that specific setup, just tell yourself that today I am risking 100 rands on this setup. I have 1,000 rand, I'm risking 100 rands on this setup. If this setup doesn't work, it will stop me out at 100 rands and I will be left with 900 rands, which means you have 9 more setups before you blow that account. So most people are not specific when it comes to those things. So that is the most important thing that I would like to share with you guys in this video. Be specific about the amount of money that you want to lose when you are funding your account. When you fund 1,000 rand, that means you need to be wrong 10 times. 10 setups need to be wrong for you to blow that account. But at this time, we have traders that blow 10,000 rands, that blow 5,000 rands, 2,000 rands, even 1,000 rand. They blow it in a small period of time, like in a short space. Like you find them, they fund now and they go all in with 1,000 rand on the market and they lose it all. Why they lose it all? It's because they're not specific about how much they are willing to lose or risk when it comes to trading. So don't rush the process, don't rush the markets, don't rush the profits. Profits will be there, losses will be there as well, but make sure that your profits are progressive. Losses are short and profits are always growing and progressive. So without further ado, I'll be just diving to the charts. I'll be chatting with you guys on the charts. I'm going to be specific about the charts. Let's wait for the network to come back to resume. So guys, I want to be specific about this trade setup that I took last week on US30. We were talking about this trade setup on our private mentorship on our Discord channel. On this trade setup, we had our take profit in this area. That was our take profit in this area. We were looking at to take profit in this area. At this level over here, as we entered the trade, we followed our criteria. We followed our break of structure, our OB liquidation. We followed everything. So as we followed everything, then we saw that the direction of the setup would be a buy. We were biased about the direction of buying the setup. We were not looking to short any positions over here. We were looking to go long. So we went long on this position. Our risk management was below these lows. So when I say your profits needs to be progressive, your risk needs to be specific. What do I mean by that, guys? So in this trade, I was willing to lose how many pips? Let me show you. I was willing to lose about less than 29 pips. I was willing to lose about less than 29 pips. I was willing to lose that, but I was willing to make. I was specific about my risk management. Now I was willing to make what? I was willing to make 400 pips in this move, and I was able to make that 400 pips in that move because we are still in this setup as we speak. We are still in this setup. But now look at this. When I say you need to be specific about your risk, but you need to keep your profits progressing. So we took profit from here. After we took profit from here, we didn't close all the positions that we had because we still knew that the direction of the market or the bias of our analysis or our setup is still telling us the price will still go higher. So as the price is still going higher, now look where we are now. We can go even to those highs. If we go to those highs, how many pips we will be having by then? About 900 pips. So we just risked less than 29 pips to make 900 pips. We are still holding this trade as we speak. So what I'm saying all in all in this video is that, guys, you need to be specific when it comes to risk management. The reason why so many people they give up on trading is because they are not specific. They feel like trading is it's something that is impossible to do. It's impossible for me to make profit. It's because you are not specific when it comes to your risk management, and you are not progressive when it comes to your profit management. So you need to balance the two. Be specific about your risk. Be progressive about your profits. So you can't be specific about your profits. That is one thing that people don't understand when it comes to trading. They tend to switch this thing vice versa. They are being specific about how much they want to make. Now I want to trade Forex, I want to make 100,000. You see, but at the back of your mind, you're not thinking about the risk that is involved for you to make that 100,000. The progression that is involved for you to make that 100,000. You are not specific about all those things. You are specific about the wrong thing. The market will give you what the market is giving you, but you should be specific. You should be specific. What do you want to give to the market? I'm willing to give the market 100 rands, but I'm willing to get 1,000 rand, 2,000 rand, 3,000 rand, up to 10,000 rand from the market. You are willing to take all of that from the market if the market is giving you all of that, because the market can give you all of that. As I'm saying, we were aiming to make about 400 pips, but look at us now. We are aiming to make about 900 pips because the market is still giving us more pips to our favor. There's no need for us to close those positions because the market is still giving us what we should be taking from it. You understand? So in this video, guys, I want this video to be short and straight to the point. I hope you guys really understood what I'm talking about. If you didn't understand, please do comment on our comment section below so that you can let us know. And do follow us on our social media platforms. We have Facebook, we have Instagram. Do follow us there and see our programs and everything that we provide and offer for our mentorship, so that you can get mentored and get guidance and get proper guidance from the real mentors at every day on daily basis. So rather than watching these YouTube videos that pop up maybe once or twice a week or even a month. So if you want proper guidance and proper mentorship, you can hit us up. So I hope you guys were really understood this video and really understood what this video was all about. So please make sure, guys, next time when you're trading, don't just give up on trading. Trading is there. Trading is something that is going to work for us, and more especially for us as South Africans, because we are facing a huge gap in unemployment. We are facing unemployment in our country. We all know that it's over 50% people that are unemployed in South Africa, and most of those people are the youth, and most of those people, they have degrees and diplomas and specific careers that they were learning at a varsity and all those things, even colleges and all those things, but they are sitting at home, they are discouraged, they can't start businesses, they can't do any of these things that will provide for their family and themselves. So don't get discouraged. These videos like this are here for you to be progressive and help you in your day lives, so that you can change your life as well and be the person that you want to be. So without wasting any time, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and understood. Be specific about what you want, what you want to risk when it comes to trading. Don't be progressive about your profits. Don't be specific about your profit, but be progressive about it. If the market is still giving you more momentum to your favor, or is still giving you more profit to your favor, listen what the market is telling you and keep progressing from that. If the market is warning you right now to take your profit out, be on that position as well, and make sure that you do what the market is telling you. Be specific when it comes to trading. Don't just gamble. Don't just do it because you want a big fancy car or a big house. So hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video, and we'll see you guys on another video. Cheers, guys.